the skin-healing flower every garden needs. Calendula is a bright, cheerful flower that is unbelievably beginner-friendly. It germinates easily, blooms non-stop, and continues to produce for months. Calendula supports skin healing, wound care, inflammation, and gentle cleansing. It is one of the most versatile medicinal flowers. To grow it, give calendula plenty of sunlight and moderate watering. It tolerates poor soil and grows fast. For salves, balms, or infused oils, harvest the flowers regularly. Calendula brings beauty, resilience, and healing into your garden.